Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Rajat Automation Interview. So today we'll see one question which is asked to me in one of the interviews related to Java. And the question was, can we uh, implement uh, multiple public class in Java? तो क्वेश्चन ये था कि क्या हम एक सोर्स फाइल में ओके लेट मी करेक्ट द क्वेश्चन कैन वी इम्प्लीमेंट मल्टीपल पब्लिक क्लास इन जावा in a single source file in Java. Okay, yeah, so this is the correct question, and like I've just reframed it. So, can we implement multiple public class in a single source file in Java? क्या हम एक single source file, I mean हम .java file के extension की file बनाते हैं, right? Whenever we write some program, we'll give file name and .java as an extension, right? So in that particular source file, can we have more than one public class declared in a single file, या एक से ज़्यादा हम कोई पब्लिक क्लास एक ही फाइल के अंदर इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हैं या नहीं कर सकते हैं? सो विल ट्राई टू गेट द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन एंड विल सी अगर कर सकते हैं तो क्यों, अगर नहीं कर सकते हैं तो क्यों. करेक्ट. Okay, so I hope everybody understood what the exact question is, right? Okay, let's move ahead and jump directly to one of the Java compiler. Okay, so currently I'm using this codeva.io. This is simple and easy to learn. I mean, easy to just go ahead and do your programs and run from here, right? Yeah. So currently I have one of the file called practice.java file. This is one of the source file, right? And inside this file I have one of this one simple program जिसमें like we have declared, see here we have declared public class practice, right? And this is the simple main function, and this main function we are declaring a variable a and then initializing it to 10 and then we are printing it, right? Now if you see, this class is a public class, right? And if you see what was the question? The question was, can we implement multiple public class in a single source file in Java? So keyword is public here, right? So if you see, this is a public class and it has the same name exactly what we have for we have given the source file. So this is practice.java and the class name is also practice, right? So if we run this program, okay, we'll get the output as 10, right? This is a simple program, right? Simple Java program. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll try to uh, give different name, right? We'll give something called test, right? So if you see, as soon as we have given test here, we have got one error, and this is compile time error, and we'll get to see the error. Okay, we'll read the error. Class test is public, should be declared in a file name test.java, correct? So what it's saying, if you're changing the name of the class from practice to test, then you need to store this program in a source file which has the name test.java, right? So either you go ahead and change the source file to test.java, or you have to change the name of the class which is exactly matching the source file, which is practice here, right? Yeah, so if I try and go ahead and implement two class here, right? So suppose if I give test1 here, right? Again I get the same error saying the class 10 is a public, should be declared in a file test1.java, correct? Yeah. So the main idea, the main logic behind this is कि if you want to have multiple public class, then I mean, it first of all, it is not valid case because you can't have more than one public class in a single source file. Yes, you can have it in other source file having the same name as that of the class, but in a single source file you can't have multiple public class. You can only have single class, right? So suppose this is test, right, and this is test one. This is the class with test and this is the class with test one, right? Now if you go ahead and what name of the source file you give, as per the logic, like the class name should also have the same name as the source file. Either you give test.java, either you give test1.java. Both are not possible at the same time, right? So that is why we can't have multiple public class in Java. We can only have single file uh, in Java. Public class, single public class in a single source file, correct? Right. So one different case will be, what about if I remove this public? Okay, if you remove this public, see the error gone, because now this class is no more public, right? So since the class is not public, you can use a different source file name here which is different from the class name. So here if you see, the class name is test, and here अपन का सोर्स फाइल नेम क्या है, practice.java, और इधर क्या अपने का क्लास नेम टेस्ट. सो दिस इज वैलिड बिकॉज दिस इज at package level. Okay, so this is valid, this case is valid. Since this is not a public class, you can use the different name altogether, right? But as soon as you declare public here, you need to give the exact name what you have in your source file, right? Yeah, so this was all about mm, the question, can we implement multiple public class in a single source file in Java? So answer will be no. You can't have more than one public class in a single source file in Java. If you want to declare a class public in a single source file, then you need to have the exact same name what you have given the class. So the class name and the source file name should be same, just like here, correct? I hope this video is helpful to you, and in future if you encounter this question, I hope like you will be able to answer and explain in detail like why the public class, multiple public class cannot be possible in a single source file, right? Yeah, so please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and if you like this video, please go ahead and like. Keep supporting me. I'll keep sharing these sort of videos and these sort of interview questions with you all. Yeah, thank you guys, bye.